Hey everyone, my name is Naura Nazifa. In this video, I will solve two different word problem involving quadratic equation. In the first problem, we'll use the factoring of quadratic equation, and in the second one, we apply the ABC formula, also known as the quadratic formula. Let's get started. The problem 1. Dina has a piece of land in the shape of a rectangle. She wants to turn it into a flower garden. The length of the garden is 3 meters longer than its width. If the total area of the garden is 40 square meters, find the dimension of the garden, length and width. Okay, to solve this, we use the factoring of quadratic equation. Okay, what is that? To factor a quadratic equation, first write it in standard form: x squared plus open parenthesis a plus b close parenthesis plus ab equals 0. Then we split the middle term into two numbers whose sum equals the middle coefficient and whose product equals the constant term. Then x squared plus ax plus bx plus ab equals 0. X open parenthesis x plus a plus b times open parenthesis x plus a close parenthesis. Then open parenthesis x plus a close parenthesis times open parenthesis x plus b close parenthesis equals 0. So the solution, the step 1, let the width of the garden be x meters, then the length of the garden is x plus 3 meters, area is 40 square meters. Step 2, use the formula for the area of a rectangle. Area equals length times width. For t equals x times open parenthesis x plus 3 close parenthesis. Step 3, expand the equation. X squared plus 3x equals 40. Step 4, rearrange the equation into standard form: x squared plus 3x minus 40 equals 0. Step 5, factor the quadratic equation. Find two numbers that multiply to negative 40 and add up to 3. The numbers are x and negative 5. Then x squared plus 8x minus 5x minus 40 equals 0. 2. Open parenthesis x plus 8 close parenthesis time open parenthesis x minus 5 close parenthesis equals 0. Step 6, solve each factor. X plus x equals 0, x equals negative 8, and x minus 5 equals 0. Then x equals 5. So x equals negative 8 it's not valid because y can be negative, so we can take x equals 5. The finally answer width equals 5 meters and length is 8 meters. 4, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, the second question or the second problem. A child is standing on a cliff that is 5 meters high above the ground and throws a ball upward with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. Assume the ball is released from a point 1 meter above the surface of the cliff where their child is standing. Determine for A, the height of the ball after 3 seconds, and B, the time it takes for the ball to reach the ground. Okay, we'll use the ABC formula. So what is that? The ABC formula is an alternative choice when the quadratic equation cannot be solved using the factoring or perfect square method. This following is the ABC for the quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this there's formula: x1 and 2 equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This solution for A. Explanation: using the information in the problem, we obtain the equation h equals negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 6. To determine the height of the ball after 3 seconds, substitute t equals 3 into the equation. H equals negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 6 equals negative 5 times 3 squared plus 20 times 3 plus 6 equals negative 45 plus 60 plus 6 equals 21. So we get the height of the ball after 3 seconds is 21 meters. Okay, number for B, for solution B, when the ball reaches the ground, its height is 0 meter. Therefore, by substitute h equals 0, we obtain 0 equals negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 6. We can using ABC formula. T equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then we get negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 20 squared minus 4 times negative 5 times 6 all over 2 times negative 5. So we get equals negative 20 plus or minus the square root of 520 all over negative 10. So we get t is approximately equals to 4.28, or t is approximately equals to negative 0.28. Because time can never be negative, the time it takes for the reach the ground is 4.28 seconds. Okay, that's all for today's video. We solved 2 real-life problems using quadratic equation, one with the factoring method and one with ABC formula. I hope this explanation helped you understand how to apply math in real-life context. If you enjoyed in this video, please give a like, leave comment, and forget subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next one. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.